Hi guys, I'm a fan of the movie Howl's Moving Castle, and one of my favorite character is Howl. So why? My question for today is Howl a classy type of guy based on the movie? I go through deeper understanding for the word classy guy. So before that, let me discuss the movie's description. Howl's Moving Castle, in Japanese, Hauru no Ugoku Shiro, is a 2004 Japanese animated fantasy film, written and directed by Hayao Miyazaki. The film is loosely based on the 1986 novel of the same name by British author Diana Wynne-Jones. The film was produced by Toshio Suzuki, animated by Studio Ghibli and distributed by Toho. The story is set in a fictional kingdom where both magic and early 20th century technology are prevalent, against the backdrop of a war with another kingdom. The film tells the story of a young, content millionaire named Sophie who is turned into an old woman by a witch who enters her shop and curses her. She encounters a wizard named Howl and gets caught up in his resistance to fighting for the king. Going back to, is Howl a classy type of guy based on the movie? Yes, he is. So why is he one of them? Howl's character clearly depicts a classy guy in one who is polite, charming, neat, clean, and care for others. This is how Howl shows in the whole runtime of the movie as a wizard. If you haven't seen this movie yet, I suggest you to watch it now. You'll fall in love to Howl, for he is a classy guy that is very attractive. In addition, the whole movie is very interesting and magical. So guys, let's go deeper and understand men with classy guy personality. So let's hit it! There are 11 things that we should know about the classy type of guy. Number 1, a classy guy does not try too hard. When a classy guy tries too hard, and usually in all the wrong ways, it's hard to imagine how he could possibly be considered classy by a woman who is smart enough and experienced enough to know class and real confidence when she sees it. Number 2, a classy guy is an educated guy. Street smarts are just as important, and surely school doesn't always make you smarter or more confident or more interesting. However, all things equal, a degree from a known school is likely to add to who you are. A classy guy knows how to write and how to speak properly. Number 3, a classy guy has basic manners. He doesn't get angry or rude on the court, and he doesn't make up excuses. This shows both class and incredible inner strength. Being strong and knowing how to handle challenging situations doesn't mean you have to act like a robot or not have feelings, but it doesn't mean that you are able to make the most out of difficult situations and you don't let those situations drag you down emotionally. Number 4, a classy guy is reliable and not flaky. He does not waste time of others or his own. He follows through and is not a flake, socially, professionally, or with girls. He does his best to keep his promises, and he is not in a habit of over-promising and under-delivering. He expects the same from others, and he doesn't settle for second-class behavior such as flaking or cancellations with short notice for no good reason. Number 5, a classy guy doesn't have victim mentality. He handles the problem he has without blaming the world around him for having those challenges, and he understands that the difficulties he experiences day in and day out are a natural part of life. Number 6. A classy guy is not bored with his life. He can maintain an interesting conversation beyond the small talk and pleasantries on many topics. He also knows how to listen actively and respond to what he hears in a way that makes a conversation more stimulating and interesting. Number 7. A classy guy leads a healthy lifestyle and knows the value of moderation. Having class necessarily means not drinking or smoking or gambling excessively, and not letting common addictions or other bad habits take over your life. Moderation doesn't mean being boring or lacking in sense adventure. It means balance and inner stability. Number 8. A classy guy is not flashy and is not into bragging and chest beating. Arrogance, chest beating, and bragging and being classy simply don't go together. Number 9. A classy guy knows his way with women sexually. He doesn't do things that ruin the moment, and he knows how to create and maintain romantic and sexual tension with the right person at the right time. Number 10. A classy guy knows when and how to apologize when he is in the wrong. Being able to say that you are sorry is a major sign of strength. Whether you apologize to a woman, a friend, or anyone else, having an ego that prohibits you from apologizing can be a serious obstacle to handling routine disagreements. Number 11. A classy guy knows how to handle losses and disappointments. It's easy to win and celebrate, but it's so much harder and more impressive to take defeats and disappointments with grace, without letting anger and frustration take over. Alright guys, now you know the 11 things to consider or to know if a guy is a classy guy. Hit like and subscribe!